setahun setengah, it's not making money, tutup. So far I have closed like more than 20 branches sebenarnya.
More than 20? At what point seorang entrepreneur tu kena realise that, hey, we have to make a change?
My vet is not losing money, tapi it's not making a lot of money. So that's why boleh sustain lagi. I ada brand juga, bukan brand lah, mungkin cawangan.
Okay.
Within 1 year plus, it's not making money, I tutup je. So even though rasa berat hati sangat nak tutup kan, so you have the sentimental value, sayang yang dah datang, but I have to be really really clear. Setahun setengah, it's not making money, tutup. Memang
Kena realistic.
kena be realistic. As much as you sayang sangat tempat tu, sebab you ada je regular walaupun sikit kan, but you have to be realistic, tutup. So far I have closed like more than 20 branches sebenarnya.
More than 20?
Yes.
Across the 3 brands? Nippon Sushi ada yang tutup?
Ada.
Wow.
Yes, I ada tutup. Di Alustai tutup. And then I relocate pun banyak because kalau tempat tu is not doing well, I relocate. Yeah. And then I ada pun brand yang tutup terus. At that time ada 5 branches dah. Nama dia makanan Korea lah.
Okay.
Korea.
KCNT nama dia. KCNT.
KCNT.
I ada 4 ke 5 branches. Tapi it's not doing well. I just tutup the whole brand.
The whole brand.
The whole brand tutup, dah tak ada.
When you say tutup, do you sell the kedai ataupun memang?
I tutup je lah.
How about the
equipment I
equipment
ambil because
ambil?
I'm growing Nippon Sushi. I transfer lah tempat lain.
Meja-meja semua tu boleh transferable lah.
Yes.
I see.
But that is not the real. I mean, kalau I rugi pun, if need to tutup, I tutup. Yes, because you cannot be bleeding throughout.